Support India Today.
News break coming in as Gujarat Principal Secretary said that the L strain of the coronavirus is more dangerous, and it's the L strain which has been found in Gujarat, and that's the main reason why it's causing more deaths there. But when India Today approached WHO, the UN Health Agency dismissed the L strain theory. WHO says no proof of L-type strain causing more COVID-19 deaths. WHO also says there is no evidence to suggest that the virus behaves differently to cause different levels of severity.
My name is Ankit Kumar. I represent India Today. My question is, in India, scientists from 2 institutions have claimed that high fatality rate in some of the cities could be possibly linked due to a L-type strain of the virus. Is there any evidence to show that the fatality rate is higher in this particular L-type strain? If you could please talk about it. Thank you.
There are more than 10,000 full genome sequences available. I don't even have the last count, but at least 10,000 full genome sequences that are available. And we're looking at the changes in the virus to see if any of those changes mean that the virus has mutated and that it changes in terms of its transmissibility or its ability to infect people or its ability to cause severe disease. And so far, this virus is relatively stable. There are changes in the virus which are expected in RNA viruses, but these changes are within the expected range, and there aren't any differences in the viruses that have been found in different countries that suggest that it behaves differently in terms of its ability to transmit or its ability to cause severe disease in people.
Cutting across to my colleague Ankit Kumar, who posed the question to the WHO. Ankit, will you get us up to speed? So this literally pretty much tears apart the theory floated that the L strain, which has been found in Gujarat, is actually leading to more deaths.
Well, Preeti, we heard from experts and officials in Ahmedabad and Indore that the L-type strain of the virus could be the reason behind the high fatality rate in these cities. And we asked the same question to the WHO officials in Geneva, just because they have more data and more information about it. Now, WHO's technical lead on COVID-19, Dr. Maya Kerko, clearly told me that they have more than 10,000 sequences of the virus, but none of the strains and mutations are significant enough to cause a difference in severity of the disease. WHO has made it clear that there is no proof to suggest that the L-type strain is causing more damages in any of the countries. This is actually in line with what ICMR experts have also told our colleague earlier in the day. While there is some mutation in the virus, there is no proof that it is dangerous enough to cause a difference in its ability to cause severity.
All right, appreciate you joining us, Ankit. Thank you.